In this class, we are going to learn how to make use of map component in our Oracle Apex application and put the pointers on the map and show the location of the places. In our case, we are showing the data for the institute, that is the educational institute, like in how many places or the location our school is present and what is the number of students, so on and so forth. Now, if you are the chairman of the organization or the shareholder, you would be interested in knowing the data based on the chart or map, so on and so forth. So we'll learn how we can turn our faceted search into a map and locate the locations of the institutes in few seconds using Oracle Apex. In order to do the same, I will click on this edit. So I'm going to edit my faceted search page. I'm not going to rewrite entire logic. What I will rather do is I will make use of the Apex feature, that is we can copy the page and create a duplicate page. In order to duplicate a page, just click over here and click on copy page. I will tell you how to create the page in this application. Click on next. In the name, what I will do is I will provide the name as Educational Institute Map. I want to add this in the breadcrumb and I will tell Educational Institute Map. I will keep everything default. Click on next. I will tell create a new application menu entry over here with the name Educational Institute Map so that it can display the navigation menu over here. Click on next. And we are good to create the copy of the page. Click on copy. Our page has been copied successfully and we are navigated to the page number 6, that is Educational Institute Map. Let's preview this page. Click on run. So here is our page, and if you look at the navigation menu over here, our new entry has been added and there is no icon added. We will see how we can add the icon shortly. Let me collapse this. In order to convert faceted search into the maps, what we have to do is in the body, we have to locate the Educational Institute HQ, and from the type, we have to select the map. Just select this and it will turn the data into the map. Now, as soon as you change this type to map, if you see under the layers, we are having new and it is saying there are 2 errors. If you click on this, it will show exactly what is the error. Now, what I will do is I will click on new and I will select the table, that is the source. Let me select my table, that is this one. Scroll down and it will tell what should be the geometry column data type. I will tell longitude and latitude, because when we imported the data into this table, we had couple of tables, that is latitude and longitude. So these columns were already present in the CSV file using which we had created this table. Let's come back and I will select this geometry column data type to longitude and latitude, and I will select from here what is my longitude. So I'm having the column with the name longitude. So you have to make sure this is not varchar type, it is the number type data. Coming to the latitude, I will select the latitude column. You have to select as per the column names you have provided for your table in Oracle Apex. Let me save this and I will preview this application. Let me click on run. Yeah, when you click on run, our maps has been loaded successfully, and if you want to maximize and locate, and it will take you to the India. As we are latitudes and longitudes are respect to the India location, and you can see that it has put the pointers as per the latitude and longitude information. Now, as a shareholder in the company or the chairman, so this data will be more useful at the management level. Like I can see in which locations my institutes are present, and I can think of opening the institutes in other places as well. So this way we can enhance the look and feel of the data, that is the presentation layer of our data to the chairman or management. So this looks good. Now what we will do is we will try to add the icon. It looks ugly if we don't add the icon over here. In order to add the icon, we can navigate to the shared component, that is from the application or from the page. If you see, there is a shared component button. Just click on this. So this will take you to the navigation and search. Click on the navigation menu over here. Click on the navigation menu. And we have to locate where is our Educational Institute map. It's over here. Click on this. From the image classes, we have to search for the class. Click on this. So we can search for the map. So it's over here, map, and we can look for FA map marker. So this looks good. That is FA map marker. I will select this and click on apply changes. Now with this set, what we'll do is we will preview or run the page again. Now, if you see, when my application loaded, I can see there is the icon added in the navigation menu that is in front of the Educational Institute map. So like this, very easily we can add the maps to our application, which is built with Oracle Apex. We will try to enhance our maps over here a little further. Suppose if we hover over the pointers over here or the marker, we won't see any data. As an end user, I would be interested in knowing the place or the name of the institute and the location, because I may not be able to identify just with the marker where is this located. Like a city name we can put, or the state name we can put, so on and so forth. Now we will try to enhance this and show the information or the message as a tooltip in this Apex page. I will click on edit page 6. Now in order to add the tooltip, you have to locate the layers over here and click on this new. From here you have to search for the tooltip. What you can do is we can search over here tooltip, or you can scroll and find this property. We have to turn this on, that is advanced formatting. Just click here and click on help. Suppose if you want to know how to write the HTML expression. Basically, you have to refer to your column which you are referring in this map, that is using ampersand, column name and the dot or the period. So you can use HTML styling over here in order to enhance the look and feel of the pointer or the tooltip. So with this said, I will write the HTML expression. I will open this editor and I will write the HTML expression. Basically, I want to show the school name and the state. Suppose if you want to show also the city name or the place name apart from the state name, we can show that as well. I will copy the city, that is CITY. I will write over here city, and we have to access the data using ampersand, column name and the period. Click on OK. Let me save this page and I will preview this page. Now when the user hovers over the pointer, it will show the school name that is in the bold, as we have used the strong HTML tag. Then it will show the state name, that is Punjab, and the city is Chandigarh. Suppose I want to know where is this pointer located, just I will hover over and it will show me the school name, state name and the city. Suppose by looking at the pointer, I may not know which state is this. I will select this and it will show this is in Telangana, Hyderabad, and the name is so and so forth. And there are a couple of schools nearby. One is in Mumbai and another one is in Pune. Suppose I want to know what is this, it is in Kolkata. So like this, we can hover over and get the insight of the data, and this will be very useful for the end users in order to know what is the school name, what is the state and the city this pointer referring to. So like this, very quickly, that is in the matter of few seconds, we can add the map to our Oracle Apex page and turn the data into the graphical representations, which is very eye-catchy and user-friendly for management to get the insights of their organization.